So, how to create an e-commerce website? Uh, whether you have a brick and mortar business and want to expand online, or you are interested in starting a new business from scratch, e-commerce can be a highly profitable venture. A successful e-commerce business starts and ends with the website. If you have not made one before, it can seem like a daunting task, but it's not difficult as you think. That's why I will teach you how to get your e-commerce site up and running in no time. The best platform for your e-commerce site. Before you can create your e-commerce site, you need to figure out what platform you're going to use. There's a ton of options out there, but you only one obvious choice, Wix. In fact, we ranked Wix first on our list of the best e-commerce website builders. It's the best e-commerce website builder due to one thing: simplicity. You need to learn how to code or have any technical expertise. The platform makes it easy for anyone to create a beautiful and highly functional e-commerce site from scratch in no time at all. That is why it's perfect for beginners. It's a drag and drop site builder that's fully customizable and SEO friendly. The platform has everything you need to start selling online. In addition to the site builder features, you will be able to accept commission free payments, manage end to end fulfillment, and set custom shipping rules worldwide. Wix support dropshipping and multi-channel sales. It allows you to sell on other platforms like Facebook and Instagram. If you want the ability to fully customize your storefront, shopping cart, product galleries, and more without writing a single line of code, choose Wix. You will even be able to set up features like a customer wish list, related product galleries, mini cart, quick add to cart buttons, and more. You can add coupons, promo codes, and even let your customers create accounts to increase loyalty and speed up the checkout process with saved billing and shipping details. The price for e-commerce capability starts at $23 per month. It comes with bonus features like $300 in advertising vouchers and a free domain for 1 year. As your site grows, you can easily upgrade your plan to scale with you. Now, how to build an e-commerce site, a step-by-step guide. Step 1: sign up for Wix. Step 2: decide how you want to create your website. Step 3: connect your domain. Step 4: set up your e-commerce site. Step 5: publish your e-commerce site. Follow these steps with any e-commerce site builder, but for the article, we will use Wix as an example. Step 1: sign up and choose your plan. First, create an account with Wix. Compared to other platforms, the sign up process is about as easy as it gets, 10 seconds max. You will only need to provide an email address and password to continue. You can start using Wix for free right away, but the free plan doesn't give you any e-commerce capabilities. It's basically an extended trial to play around with the site builder, which is fine too, but you want to start selling and making money. Navigate to the premium subscriptions and make sure to select business and e-commerce as I have highlighted in the screenshot below. The website plans don't all have online selling capabilities, which you will obviously need for your commerce site. All of the e-commerce plans come with the ability to accept online payments, a free SSL certificate, increased storage, unlimited bandwidth, and a free domain for 1 year. Choose a plan based on the size of your website and business. If you are a small company selling a handful of products, you will be fine with the basic business or business unlimited plans. Bigger websites with additional needs should go with the business VIP plan or potentially the enterprise solution. Wix offers a 14-day money back guarantee, so you can always opt out or switch plans within 2 weeks if you are not satisfied with your choice. Step 2: decide how you want to create your site. Once you sign up, there are two different ways to get started. You can use the Wix ADI or Wix Editor to continue. Wix ADI is the artificial intelligence website creator. You will once answer a series of questions about your e commerce site, and the platform will automatically design it in minutes using artificial intelligence. With the editor, you will start with a template and make it on your own. There is no right or wrong way here. It all depends on your personal preference. Even if you use the ADI, you will still be able to make changes using the editor later on. For beginners, leveraging AI to build your e-commerce site based on the answers to you provide will likely be the best option. It's faster and you will have a working site to edit instead of just starting from scratch with a template. But the editor is easy, straightforward too. It will just be a bit more time consuming. If you use the ADI, you will be asked to choose a type of e-commerce site you are building, like an online clothing store, jewelry store, etc. And pick your features like an Instagram feed, live chat, subscribe form, etc. Next, you will be asked to pick a theme and select a template. I went through this entire process in less than 2 minutes, and the platform automatically created an e commerce site for me. Step 3, connect your domain. Now, connect your domain before you publish the e commerce site. Navigate to the settings menu on the left side of your dashboard and click on domains. You will find two options here, but buy a new domain name or connect a domain name you already own. Pro tip, need a domain? Find one of the best domain registrars. Once purchased, you can simply follow the steps to connect a domain that you own. Step 4, set up your e commerce site. After the domain has been connected, you need to set up the e commerce functionality of your site. There are components that will actually allow you to sell products online. Add products, set up shipping regions, select payment methods. That's all. Thank you.